This is a video of kind of a list and summary. It's kind of like my 200th subscriber anniversary video, and it shows the different things I've done in here. And I get to talk a little bit about how wonderful the people have been to support in here. Everybody is so encouraging. I'm very amazed at what this YouTube community is like that I'm in now. My videos are about most right now, and they won't remain this way, but most right now are about GIMP graphics, and I'm going to do a lot on making videos using FFmpeg and how to make different video effects. The GIMP part is really good for several things, not only making videos, but it's also good to show how to make your own thumbnail. GIMP can be used by Windows or Linux users. If I look up here, or as I look through these videos myself, it's like a memory to me to go back even a short amount of time. What I have learned, I had another channel, I still have another channel. It's got about 16,700 subscribers. What I have learned is a channel evolves, it changes. Just because you start off at one thing, that doesn't mean it will stay there forever. My other channel started off as a craft channel, and it wound up on the life in the Philippines and what it's like living in the Philippines. I had a customer or a subscriber base there that just plain didn't like to see graphics. They didn't care for it. I could put a graphics video up or something about making something with GIMP, and I wind up with thumbs down and people not liking, no views. My passion is the graphics and programming and making effects, and that's what I love to do, and that's the reason I started this channel up. And as I go back and look over these different videos, it makes me feel good of how many I've got out so far, and that I enjoy what I'm doing so much. I hope people can look at this and see that I do enjoy my stuff. My uploads are almost a daily thing, sometimes even a couple, but it's something I really like to do. I've got into some of the GIMPs that are so long that I understand now that a speed draw is a very neat thing. So I will have the long full-length video, but I will also have a speed draw in there so that people that don't really care about seeing the details can still see this image being created almost magically on the screen. Hey, thank you very much, everybody, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you like what I'm doing, subscribe and give me a thumbs up and tell me life is good.